Hi guys, good morning. So today I am spending all day in Magic Kingdom. So this is going to be about a 14 hour day. Let's see if we can do it. It's just me, solo, armed with nothing but me, myself, my popcorn bucket. My popcorn bucket. Let's do it, guys. Whew, it's gonna be a hot one today, and I can't wait. One of my absolute favorite views. Oh, I just love it. Fantasyland, gorgeous day outside. Carousel, it is hustling and bustling. Oh, it is alive today, and I love it. We got Beastie Boys Castle over here. See what Gaston's up to. Maybe get LeFou's Brew. Go say hi to Ariel a little bit later. So, just walking around here. It's a beautiful day. It's very, very sunny. It's probably like 80 something degrees. I think it's like 83, 85, even though it feels about 103, 105. But I am in the shade. But like I said, it's a beautiful day, and I am just taking a stroll down. Oh yeah, I just happened to be in Disney World. How exciting. I love it. My paradise. Oh, love it. This is also really cool. You can pick your popcorn, select a syrup, combined with candies. So you pick one of your flavors. It could be butter, cheddar, caramel. Then the syrups can be like milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate. And you can kind of choose all different toppings. They have like M&Ms, Snickers, pretzels. Amazing. It is a must-do. So some of these things are really cool. I really love this, actually. This is 40 bucks. Not bad. Very pretty. Moving right along. Oh, I love these ears. So cute. Snow globes. Hoodies, bags. They thought of everything. Ears in another color, of course. These things are the best. You pump, and it does it in the shape of Mickey head. Very cute. Ooh, I love this. Frontierland. Ah, there is Big Thunder off in the distance, almost in a fog. I love it. I am one of many that cannot wait for the Princess and the Frog refurb on Splash Mountain. Oh, that's gonna be amazing. I can't. Nothing like a good Splash Mountain. Let's go on over to Big Thunder. Oh boy, all this. That is a giant hot dog. These fries, delicious. Okay, so I am here at the spring roll cart right outside of Adventureland, and I got 2 of the 50th anniversary spring rolls. It comes with mustard, actually honey mustard, but I'm not a huge mustard person, so I asked for the garlic aioli that comes with the cheeseburger ones. So we're gonna give them a try. Everyone says they're so iconic, so I will be the judge of that. Here they are, 2 of their spring rolls. They smell delicious. And there's the sauces. Okay, let's give it a try. Again, this is the 50th celebration one. This I think is pastrami and something. I'll insert it. It's really good. And surprisingly, I'm actually not a huge fan of mustard, but that honey mustard goes perfect. So I'm gonna enjoy these. So good. I had the pastrami 50th celebration ones. They also have cheeseburger ones. They occasionally have like buffalo chicken and other kinds. The cheeseburgers are really good from what I'm hearing, but I'm not a fan of pickles. So just so you know, if you're not a fan of pickles either, I wouldn't go with them. But either way, everyone else really loves them. So if you like pickles, they're your way to go. Walking now through Liberty Square. I'm on my way to Memento Mori, which is the theme shop for the Haunted Mansion attraction. I love that store. It's actually one of my favorite stores here in Magic Kingdom. Highly recommend. Forgot to give some feedback on my Casey's Corner giant hot dog. Not my favorite, but everyone says they love it. I also highly recommend the corn dog nuggets. Those I have had before, and those are my favorite. So next time that I go, I definitely will get the corn dog nuggets and maybe skip on that foot-long hot dog. A little too big for me. Walking into Memento Mori, right next here to the Haunted Mansion. Again, this is the theme shop for the Haunted Mansion attraction. Let's go in. All right, so everyone loves candles. You have sunglasses, you have cool decorations and shirts, hats, backpacks, shorts, more shirts, diorama. Let's check out some of these toys here. Crystal ball toy, try me. That's cool. Got myself a lightning lane for the Haunted Mansion. Let's go in. I'm about 8 hours in. I can keep going. I can do this, guys. Spending all day in Magic Kingdom. Mickey's Philhar Magic right there. That's like a 3D show. Pretty fun. Highly recommend. Let's keep on walking. We have It's a Small World, Peter Pan, the classics, along with the castle and the carousel, of course. All right, walking through Liberty Square here. Oh, hey, the Liberty Bell. It's just like Philly. Go Birds. Here at Tortuga Tavern. Pirates is right over there. Looks like it's about a 45-minute wait. Moving right along. It's Captain Jack. There's his rum. Pirates. Arr. Arr, me mateys. Tons of fun. Right. Here at the Tiki Room, guys. Love the Tikis, love this attraction. If any of you guys have not already listened to our interview with Rolly Crump, I will link it below. It is an amazing interview. We ask him so many questions. He has a great story about his time working on designing the Tiki Room and a really funny story with Walt. I will link that below so you guys can take a listen. It's amazing. Another popcorn cart. This also has glazed nuts here. Oh, love it, love it, love it. Also, pro tip, get the popcorn bucket if you're here for a long time and love popcorn, because the refills are only $2.25. Highly recommend. And I have one right on my backpack because I love popcorn. All right, outside of Memento Mori, feeling a little hungry. Let's check out Columbia Harbor House, guys. Pro tip, I'm sitting here at the Columbia Harbor House. It is 3:30 and very crowded park. A lot of people today, but there is no one in this room. Columbia Harbor House is where it's at. There's literally nobody else in this room. I have it to myself. I have here just a small order of hush puppies. I hear great things, so I wanted to give them a try. But pro tip, I was actually standing in line. The line wasn't long, but I was like, you know what, let me place a mobile order. It took me shorter to place a mobile order and pick that up than I was like standing in line. So please utilize mobile ordering. Let's give a try to these hush puppies. I've heard great things. Okay, these are great. I love hush puppies. These are really good. Let's try to find some sauce for these. Not that it needs it, but I feel like it would just add to it. But I can't get over that there's no one here. And it's such a busy park day too. This is insane. And it's air conditioned. This is where it's at, guys. Even if you're not into seafood. I'm not into seafood. I just like hush puppies. Look who I just came upon. Oh my goodness. How exciting. Look at those guys. I love it. Hi, Pooh. Hi, Tigger. Oh, I love them all so much. Little Eeyore too. Hey. So as you can see, I'm right here in the town square area. Over there is where you meet Mickey. Right there's the popcorn cart. And up there are Pooh and friends. Nothing like a nice leisurely ride on the People Mover. Oh, probably one of my favorite attractions here. I love it. Look at this sunset. My goodness gracious, everybody. Whew. It is 8 o'clock and the sun is starting to go down over this beautiful castle, and I have made it to 12 hours in the park. Whew. It has been a day, guys. The sun is going down. I did it. 12 hours in the park. Crazy, huh? Woo! What a beautiful night. Oh, the sun has gone down here on Main Street. Oh, look at the castle. It's a beautiful night, guys. Well, that does it pretty much for my day around the Magic Kingdom. My whole day around the Magic Kingdom. Oh, it was an amazing day. I just loved it. Oh, I'm exhausted, but I did it. And I am pretty happy, but now I think I earned a good night's rest, maybe some takeout pizza. So I hope you guys have a good night. Thank you so much, and I hope you like and subscribe. Have a good one.